There's an Administrative Procedure Act. They have to follow a procedure in order to enact a new rule that says you can or can't do something. This is a many months process. The important thing is at least we have some facts around what happened with GameStop. At least we can understand it a little bit. And by the way, a lot of people were rather incredulous by saying it's just short selling wasn't a big thing. It was really just a lot of people really enthusiastic about it was the primary reason that people were given for the GameStop run-up.
Right. He did talk about, interesting comment about being technology neutral. Take a quick listen to what Gensler told Bob.
I think that we in the official sector should be technology neutral, but not policy neutral. And so what we're trying to do is ensure to the best we can within our authorities to bring projects into the investor protection perimeter.
So this was about Bitcoin. And here's the problem that he's got here. Bitcoin futures ETFs solves a problem for him. He wants to be a champion of financial innovation. Bitcoin futures do not involve some guy having a Bitcoin exchange in Taiwan that gets hacked by Russian cyber criminals. There's none of that. You don't lose your password. You don't have any problems with fraud and manipulation. And I think that's why he approved this. But he wants to keep going ahead with financial innovation. The problem is, and we didn't get a chance to talk about this much, he has no control over the regulatory structure. He has no control over Bitcoin exchanges, for example. And until he does, I don't think he's going to touch a Bitcoin ETF. What we need is national legislation. I think at this point, we really do need national legislation encompassing who controls what at this point, because Gensler does not know. He doesn't know if he controls the exchanges. He's made a little power grab with Coinbase there, saying, you know, that short product Coinbase had, that ability to sell, lend out, that's a security. So they're making a little power grab by claiming certain things are security, certain not. But they need national legislation.